In this video, I'll show you how to reset and restore your HP 2700 and other printers that are looking similarly to this one. So the first step is, and you're gonna see the power button on the top. You just need to press it once to wake up the printer. Okay, now the screen is on. This is perfect. Next step is to keep press this X button and the Wi-Fi button. Until you see the power button flashing. So as you see, it's flashing, it's blinking there. You can let both buttons go. After a few seconds, you should also see the Wi-Fi LED blinking. Go down until you see.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding